Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I also bought a Memcoin yesterday. This is not financial advice. Crypto trading is dangerous, and crypto memes, MEME tokens, are very random and can just dump. So if you are going to put any money in memes, make sure to understand that you can easily lose it all. So I bought Fink last night, $10,000 worth of Fink, F-I-N-K. I didn't have enough time to make a video, and now it's at, my 10,000 is at 16,000 overnight, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And I'm sorting it by percentage change. This is my portfolio, so this is what I'm holding. MCRT up 3%, SMR 2.5, Unity yesterday was up 1.9, FXS 1.5, Solana 1.4, everything around Meta 1.4, tech stocks also. WorldCoin getting a bit of bounce, Dogecoin, TSM. What was down yesterday was Google a little bit, Tesla a little bit, that's it. Everything else quite in the green or bouncing back. Bitcoin 44,100. We're getting a bounce here off this bull flag that I'm seeing. It's a giant, huge bull flag that I'm seeing being printed right now. You can see here we've got this pole, and then flag, bull flag. And that usually moves the distance of the pole. So we should expect a pretty big breakout from Bitcoin going towards 60K in my opinion. Now we are in this channel. You can see here Bitcoin bouncing off in this channel. Most likely, channels break out 70% of the move, the distance. We've got 2 touches on the trend line now. 3 touches even. You could say that's 3 touches on this trend line as well. Like this. But in my opinion, I think Bitcoin is going to break out. Why? Because the volume, look at the volume. Volume predicts price. As I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, number 2 in the description, volume predicts price. And you can see this massive volume. What is volume? These bars indicate on the daily, each day. So yesterday, the 5th of January, there was 194,000 Bitcoin bought and sold during this day. So yesterday, there was 194,000 Bitcoin bought and sold. The day before, 164,000. The day before, 308,000. The day before, 180,000. The day before, 79,000. So what you're noticing the last few days, except yesterday, 54,000, 190, you can see that volume on Bitcoin is growing. The volume on Bitcoin is growing. Volume predicts price. Where would I go long on Bitcoin? I would do it off major area of support, which is starting to build here. This is the new support area. 43,000 is starting to build as a major area of support. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Opening at 43,146, stop loss 42,800, and take profit 60K. Risk to reward is 48 times, risking $345 to make $16,731 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $167,000 profits, 100x leverage, 1.67 million. So again, that trade opens on a bit of a pullback, 43,146, stop loss 42,800, take profit 60K, risk to reward 48 times. For every dollar risk, gain is $48 attempted. So $345 risk to make $16,731 without leverage. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do under the video, go down underneath the video down below. 1 is the exchanges. So under the video in the description, 1 is all the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 US bonus when you sign up using this link. 1 is the exchanges, 2 is the master course. You've got 12 hours of courses, how to set up technical charts, open longs, bots, use learn technical analysis, learn how to read the charts. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. All the links are underneath the video. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is now $76,131 in the profit, $76,131, 515% unrealized P&L. 76,131. The funding rate is still at 0.01. So after this Bitcoin drop, The Bitcoin drop a few days ago was very good for us. Why? Because it made the funding rates, it reset the funding rates. If you were watching my videos the days before, I was very worried about what was happening to the funding rate. We were reaching 0.1, 0.2 on the funding rates. So to keep trades open was nearly $1,000 a day. Now to keep trades open, we're back at 0.01 funding fee after that big drop. So for example, yesterday I only paid an extra $90 in fees on a 7 Bitcoin trade, which is almost $300,000 trade, 7 Bitcoin. I only paid $100 in fees yesterday, $76,000 profit on this trade because the funding fee fully reset 0.01. In this account, 522,000, massive bounce back in this account. I'm holding USDT 14,000, Bitcoin 10,000 here in this funding account in spot. I'm holding Bitcoin 2.4, so $108,000 of Bitcoin. I bought more on the drop. Uniswap $58,000, USDT $53,000, MCRT $53,000, Doge $51,000, FXS $46,000. WorldCoin 15,000. WorldCoin just getting annihilated. I'm gonna buy another $1,000 on here, but we don't know when it's getting sold off very strongly. We don't know when that bottom will be in, so I got to check on the charts where I think the bottom of WorldCoin will be in, because it started pumping in the recent push and then just been selling off quite strongly. So that means insiders who are getting the token are just selling out. We went all the way to $5 on that pump. Look at that, all the way to $5. This was one resistance. This is a support area we're on now, 2.8. It came down to my trend line. 4.8 we went to, and look, we came all the way back down to this trend line. So I will start buying more at 2.5. This will be a good buying area. Another big support area is down here, 1.89. So I'm going to set buy orders lower actually. Trade, did these orders go through? No, it didn't go through yet. So I'm going to set buy orders at 2.5 and 2.8, 2.5 and 1.8. So 2.8, 2.5. I'll buy another $2,000. No, $2,000. $2,000 at 2.5. Then at 1.8, 1.8, I'm going to set an alert here as well. 1.88, I'm going to buy another 1.88. I'll buy another 10, or I'll buy another 5,000 down there at 1.88. $5,000 worth. I want 1.8. 1.8. If it pulls back a lot, I'll buy another $5,000 US worth at 1.8. Confirmed. So I've got buy orders now on World Token at 1.8 and 2.5. And 2.5 and 1.8 to buy a lot of World Token. My Bitcoin trade 76,545. This account 523 went up $1,000, which is beautiful. All the links are underneath the video down below. 1 to the exchanges, 2 to the course where you learn all this and you get 12 hours of courses, technical analysis, the bots, the charts. 3, join us in Telegram, and you can see some of the gains from Telegram students. This student made $507,000 on his Bitcoin long, $225,000. This student made, with $76, I made $1,000, which is beautiful. And you can just see my portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of his experience. Taking his master course is a must. I made over $1 million in the past 5 months. My gains have been amazing. Listening channel up 8K in less than a month. Thank you. You're welcome, Sunday. Bought your course a few months back, took some profits, and bought a new Harley Davidson Road King, which is beautiful. That's my updates on Bitcoin and WorldCoin. I'll leave it at that right now. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and congratulations we bought the dip. The account went from 555, which is 560, which was an all-time high, up from $150,000 US to $560,000. Then on that drop, it went to $490,000. I bought more Bitcoin on the drop, and now the account has bounced back to $523,000, which is beautiful. All the links again are down below in the description. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.